Alright guys, we're just doing an iPhone 7 screen replacement, and just thought that give you guys a little show. Battery does look like it took a good hit. But right now this is just in for screen repair, so I will take a photo of that and let my customer know. And then they'll be aware. And, you know, sometime if they want to come back, boom. Okay, so now continue on with the regularly scheduled repair. Boom. Just go ahead and quickly get the screen, the ear speaker and front-facing camera out of here, along with the proximity sensor and the ambient light sensor and the noise cancelling mic. Oh, sadly this looks like it's a replacement part. It's alright. Okay. Now we're gonna get the home button out. Boom. 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 Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. Bang. Now, okay. Now, quickly, I will clean up where the old water-resistant sticker was. Water-resistant protection sticker, I might say. It's really not much, but it is, you know, that's what Apple gives. That's what we're working with. Okay. Okay, now, this is something a little bit better than what Apple does. Now, alright. Now, beautiful. Okay. Go ahead now and throw all the parts into the new screen. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys, there we go. Thank you for watching.